So for figure 5.5 on page 143, I'm going to go ahead and do the pivot method. I'm going to go ahead, take your sloper, and you are going to determine where that dart is going to terminate, or begin, excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and trace the non-pivoting part of this. Mark your dart leg. I'm going to mark the terminus of the dart. And then I'm going to pivot, closing that dart halfway. Then I am going to trace all the way around. And I'm going to stop where I said that dart is going to start. Mark your other dart leg.
Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead and take this off. I'm going to draw my dart leg. And here. I'm going to put a very light line in for our transferred dart. We're going to move that back again. So we're going to go ahead and draw the dart legs in for real. That point that you just made, go ahead and connect them. All of these extra marks, you're going to go ahead and erase so it's nice and clean. So the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and trim and close the darts. So go ahead and just cut along your line. Remember, the excess you want to go towards the center. Start at your dart terminus. Go ahead and fold it along the dart leg. Starting at the terminus, you're going to go ahead and match the dart legs. If you have any kind of little bump like we have right here, this is the time to fix it. And we're just going to smooth it out. We're going to cut it. Your balance mark is transferred in. You don't want to cut that off. Now with the scissors, notice how far back I'm going into the blade, and I'm just pivoting the scissor around. That keeps you from getting jagged edges. It makes a nice smooth line, and that is what you want. On the lower dart leg, we're going to go ahead and fold along that dart leg, starting at the terminus of the dart. I'm going to fold up. Let's just get some of this paper rubbed away. There we go. Matching the two dart legs until our center front is nice and smooth again. There we go. And from that, keeping it closed, I'm just going to cut. Nice, smooth line. And there we have the body block, where we have shifted the dart excess around for figure 5-5. Now you have both methods.